Thank you to the people over at Share Sunshine for this product sample of this wireless mouse. This is something that comes in handy quite a bit for me. Not that I have a desk job, I am a teacher, but a lot of times during my prep time, especially also I'm a coach and I go through a lot of film, and it's nice to have a mouse to be able to use with my laptops. Simple to use product. I'll give a demonstration at the very end, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But on the bottom here, that's where the battery goes, and it just takes one AA battery right here. You have this that goes into the computer so that it is able to connect to your computer, and then you have the on and off switch right here. So what you'll do is you'll plug this into your computer, you'll have the battery in, you'll flip it on, the red light will show, and then it'll be connected to your computer. Pretty simple to use. Let's get this back on here. Come on. So when I flip this on, you can see the red light flashes there, and then it'll be connected with your computer once you put that little chip in the side there. But I do like that it has this to go scroll up and scroll down. You can hear the buttons as they click. They're not overpowering, not too loud, which is very nice. I do kind of like the matte blue color of it, but stay tuned here for part 2 where I give a full demonstration on how to use this product. Thanks. All right, so right now you can see that it is off. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to take that little piece out, so it comes out right here, just like that, and then that goes into the side of your computer. If I can get it in there. There we go. Put it back on, and then I'm going to turn that on just like that. And then it'll take just a moment here. There we go. So now you can see that my keyboard or the mouse is able to be used back and forth. I can click down on it, I can scroll up, I can go down, I can right click if I need to with that right button just by the ears there, which is nice. But it's a very simple product to use. Battery life hasn't really died on me yet because I make sure to turn it off in between when I use it, and it's really nice that I have to put this away when I use it, because then I can just remember that the on-off switch is right there on the bottom, so that'll help me to make sure to turn it off every single time when I use it. But so far, very satisfied with the product, and like I said, it helps me to do my work very quickly and efficiently, and it's just a lot easier than using the mouse pad right here. I can actually use a physical mouse here. Super simple to use, and like I said, I enjoy it, and I hope you do too. Thanks.